Can I ask what adhesive you use, Troy?
Platinum.
Platinum. Is that one layer going on, yeah?
It's the second. Yeah.
Second, yeah. Right, okay. It's an all lace system, and Jason's having lace tape around the perimeter, and he's going to have adhesive, probably the width of an inch around the front, so we can have it swept back and see the benefits of the graduated hairline.
Slightly forward from you, buddy.
I said you're looking boyish.
Boyish.
Mm. You happy with the colour?
Yeah, yeah.
It looks good, doesn't it? That's really good. And that's just bonded on the skin. No adhesive will take there. So really natural. Very natural. Can you see that?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.